So, y'all, welcome to week 2. Last week we got to know each other and got to find out about where we are in our search for a career path. And this week we're going to start with resumes. Everybody needs one. Everybody needs to have one on hand. You're going to have to redo it for each job you apply for. But if you don't have one, might as well start getting one. And if you already do, time to look at it again. So, resumes. It's a basic outline of all your experiences, all your education, everything you need to convince a complete stranger that you are worthy of that position or that scholarship or that school. We'll be working on it for them Wednesday and Friday, as always. And with this, I'm going to let you make up a character, a fictional resume. Have fun with this. Decide to be a 16-year-old wanting to work with a gaming industry, or an older person who's been laid off and needs to go back into the workforce, or somebody closer to you. Whatever. Hope you have fun. Writing assignment number 2 that just goes to me. That will be your resume, the best you can make it, and I'll do my best to help you. Please put your name, but don't put your address, don't put your phone number, don't put your personal email account. I don't want to interfere with any privacy issues. Any questions? Let me know.